Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. It's free. Go on, share it and tell your uncle them. Lookout Racing is live. I just want you to subscribe and hit that little notification button. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all how it look on this phone. Left lane for the win. That thing look a little wiggly up top, but it's getting it.
He was going straight in the right lane.
You like that?
Yeah, he was going good.
Yeah.
Was his car setup different? Like he was leaning way back and to the left. Is that a setup change to keep the car from looking?
Yeah, they probably got something. Yeah.
Okay. G-body shuffle.
That's
what that is.
Yeah, G-body.
That's what I meant, because it looked really straight.
That's stock suspension. Because something's fucked up.
Yeah.
So it wasn't like a setup
change. Not supposed to be crooked like that.
All right, y'all, we got a Mustang coming up. Let me see what he gonna do. Oh, that's my boy. He really supposed to have a Lookout Racing sticker. What's up with it, man? Where y'all at on this one? Is that a stock block in the Caprice? Yeah. Stock block. Right lane. No cone blower. I wish I did, boy. I want me one of them. A cone blower, boy. We got that green hair in the building, y'all. She got that green hair, y'all. Hey, girl. What's up with it, man? How you doing, man? You all right? You having a good day today? This whole week been good? Okay. What about you, miss? Yours been good? The whole week. Already the whole week, y'all. Yeah. Why TikTok not live? I'm coming back. Please.
Solo pass? Solo pass? Yep, looks like it's going to be a solo pass.
With not much, chillin'. We in Dallas, Texas. Trapping Texas is in the building. Y'all hear that cam he got in here? Oh, that's where you running. That's where you running, y'all. Oh, I see some running. You got that Lookout? I'm from Dallas, Texas. Joshua Mathesium. Oh, no, Matheson. Let me see. Look out, Scott. What's up with it?
Whatever, everybody. Had a great night of racing here in Yello Belly.
Where they red, all right, be in the shop. Ryan Gun Charlotte. Thing been sitting in the shop. They ain't doing it right.
Motherfucking whole jack.
Treating it dirty. Just dirty. Over there. They know how to drink. Everybody knows. How the hell I supposed to do that here? You want this on? How much? Say it. You won't catch me running when? Where is he? Oh man. Why you won't look on my screen and see me where I'm at, man? Look out, we got Lippy in the building, y'all. They putting that glue down, the last drop. Here. Damn, that's a piece of particle from it. Right there. He got something over there, y'all. Yeah, he got something. I don't think he gonna mess with my partner Shane though. Look out, look out! Hey! I need that. Oh, he getting the back tires. It's entry 20 on Friday. Nah, I think it's 10. Oh, well, nah, I ain't been on the Friday. That's too much, though. Damn, his nitrous ain't working.